Imagine waking up every morning feeling exhausted, no matter how early you hit the bed the night before. This was the daily reality for Emily, a 54-year-old schoolteacher from Atlanta who battled persistent fatigue, swelling in her legs, and a nagging fear about her health. Her life took a sharp turn when she was diagnosed with proteinuria, a condition where excess proteins are lost in the urine, indicating her kidneys were not functioning properly. Facing a future of potential kidney damage, Emily was desperate for a solution that could halt the progression of her symptoms. After months of feeling helpless and trying various medications with little to no improvement, her doctor suggested a new regimen focusing on a specific vitamin known for its potential kidney health benefits. Skeptical yet hopeful, Emily decided to give it a try. Within weeks, her energy levels improved dramatically, the swelling reduced, and her lab tests showed a significant decrease in protein loss. This turnaround wasn't just a relief, it was a revelation that changed her approach to health forever. Emily's journey brings us to the crucial topic of proteinuria, a lesser-known yet significant indicator of kidney health. Proteinuria occurs when there is an abnormal amount of protein in the urine, primarily because the kidneys, which typically prevent protein from entering urine, are damaged or diseased. This condition is often silent with subtle symptoms, like Emily's fatigue and swelling, making it a silent marker of chronic kidney disease. Over time, if left unchecked, proteinuria can lead to severe consequences, including irreversible damage to the kidneys. The presence of protein in the urine is not just a sign of current kidney impairment, but also a predictor of kidney deterioration, emphasizing the need for early detection and management to prevent further kidney damage and other associated health complications. Emily's story underscores the importance of understanding and addressing proteinuria as part of maintaining overall kidney health and quality of life. Building on Emily's enlightening experience, this video delves into the promising world of a specific vitamin that has shown remarkable potential in not just combating proteinuria, but also enhancing overall kidney health. We'll explore the science behind how this vitamin works to protect your kidneys, backed by recent studies and expert insights. Moreover, we'll expand on its broader health benefits, which go beyond kidney protection to include boosting bone health, strengthening the immune system, and more. For those seeking practical advice, we'll guide you on how to effectively integrate this vitamin into your daily routine, ensuring optimal benefits. We'll also share compelling testimonials from others like Emily, who have witnessed transformative health improvements, providing a well-rounded view of the vitamin's impact. This exploration isn't just about understanding a nutrient, it's about discovering a potential lifeline for those struggling with kidney health issues. Proteinuria is essentially the presence of an abnormal amount of protein in the urine, which usually serves as a red flag for kidney damage or underlying kidney disease. Under normal circumstances, healthy kidneys filter waste from the blood and retain essential components like protein. However, when the kidneys are damaged, this filtering system breaks down, allowing proteins such as albumin to leak into the urine, a condition known as proteinuria. This issue can stem from various health problems, with diabetes and high blood pressure being the most common culprits. Both conditions can cause chronic damage to the kidneys over time, exacerbated by poor management of blood sugar levels or hypertension. This connection highlights the critical need for regular monitoring and management of these conditions to prevent the onset of proteinuria and subsequent kidney damage. By understanding these causes and their impact on kidney health, individuals can take proactive steps to manage their risk factors and maintain healthier kidney function. Proteinuria not only signals kidney damage, but also has broader implications for overall health. Over time, as proteins leak into the urine, the body loses these crucial molecules that play vital roles in health, such as maintaining fluid balance, fighting infections, and transporting hormones and vitamins. This loss can lead to symptoms like swelling in the hands and feet, fatigue, and increased susceptibility to infections, all of which compromise quality of life. Furthermore, unchecked proteinuria can escalate into more severe kidney conditions, such as chronic kidney disease, CKD, or even kidney failure, requiring dialysis or transplantation. Beyond the kidneys, the continued strain of managing excess proteins can lead to cardiovascular issues, including heart disease and strokes, particularly if the underlying causes like hypertension or diabetes are not well controlled. Therefore, addressing proteinuria early can prevent a cascade of health complications, underscoring the necessity of regular health screenings and vigilant management of existing health conditions. The vitamin in question that has shown promising results against proteinuria is vitamin D, a crucial nutrient traditionally celebrated for its role in bone health. Recent research, however, has revealed its significant benefits for kidney health. Studies indicate that vitamin D can help reduce proteinuria and facilitate kidney repair by engaging directly with the cells in the kidneys. To break this down into simpler terms, imagine vitamin D as a key that unlocks certain protective pathways in kidney cells. When vitamin D binds to its receptors on these cells, it triggers a series of reactions that help reduce inflammation, a common cause of kidney damage, and enhance the kidney's ability to filter and retain protein. This action helps prevent further protein loss and supports the overall repair processes within the kidneys. The impact of vitamin D extends beyond just managing proteinuria. It also plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure and calcium metabolism, which are crucial for maintaining healthy kidney function. This comprehensive approach underscores why vitamin D is increasingly viewed not just as a supplement for bone health, but as a critical ally in preserving kidney health and function. While vitamin D's role in reducing proteinuria and supporting kidney health is crucial, its benefits extend far beyond these areas. It's well known for its essential function in promoting bone health by facilitating calcium absorption in the intestines, which is critical for building and maintaining strong bones. Beyond bones, vitamin D is a powerhouse for the immune system. It helps activate T cells, which are important for fighting off pathogens, thus reducing the risk of infections and immune-related conditions. Regular intake of vitamin D not only assists in managing existing health issues, but also serves as a preventive measure against future complications. By maintaining sufficient levels of vitamin D, individuals can help prevent the onset of kidney diseases and mitigate factors that contribute to kidney damage, like high blood pressure and diabetes. Moreover, its role in supporting immune function and bone health helps ward off a range of other medical conditions, including autoimmune diseases and osteoporosis. This preventive aspect makes vitamin D an invaluable component of a holistic approach to health, ensuring that multiple body systems function optimally and reducing the risk of several chronic diseases. This broader spectrum of benefits highlights why vitamin D is considered a vital nutrient for maintaining general well-being and long-term health. To harness the full benefits of vitamin D effectively, it's important to get the right dosage, which can be achieved through both dietary sources and supplements. Foods rich in vitamin D include fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks. Sunlight also plays a critical role, as exposure to sun helps the body synthesize vitamin D naturally. For many, however, dietary sources and sunlight may not be sufficient to achieve optimal levels, especially in regions with limited sun exposure. In such cases, supplements become necessary. Before starting any supplement regimen, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider to determine the appropriate dosage. Vitamin D levels can be easily assessed through a simple blood test, and a doctor can recommend a dosage based on individual needs, taking into account factors such as age, geographical location, skin color, and current vitamin D levels. This tailored approach ensures that supplementation is both safe and effective, avoiding the risks associated with both deficiency and excess of vitamin D. Regular follow-ups to monitor vitamin D levels can also help adjust the dosage as needed, ensuring that the levels remain within an optimal range. Integrating vitamin D into your daily routine can be a straightforward process with impactful benefits. Begin by incorporating more vitamin D-rich foods into your diet. Consider starting your day with a vitamin D fortified cereal or oatmeal, using fortified milk or plant-based alternatives. Snack on fatty fish, such as salmon or mackerel, several times a week, and include egg yolks in your meals when possible. Since sunlight is a natural source of vitamin D, aim to spend 10 to 15 minutes in the sun each day, preferably during the morning or late afternoon when the sun is less intense, which can help your skin synthesize vitamin D naturally without the risk of sunburn. To enhance the effectiveness of vitamin D, consider lifestyle adjustments such as maintaining a healthy weight and staying active. Regular physical activity helps improve bone health and overall well-being, which synergizes well with the benefits of vitamin D. Avoiding excessive use of sunscreen during those short periods of sun exposure can also improve vitamin D synthesis, though it's important to balance this with the risk of skin damage from UV rays. Lastly, combining vitamin D intake with foods high in magnesium and vitamin K, such as leafy greens and nuts, can further enhance calcium absorption and bone health, leveraging the full spectrum of benefits offered by vitamin D. These lifestyle choices not only boost the effectiveness of vitamin D, but also contribute to a healthier, more vibrant life. The transformative impact of vitamin D extends across diverse demographics, each with their own unique story of recovery and improved health. Take, for example, Mark, a construction worker from Seattle who struggled with seasonal depression and recurring respiratory infections. After his doctor recommended increasing his vitamin D intake to counteract the limited sun exposure during the long, cloudy months, Mark noticed a significant uplift in his mood and a decrease in his sick days. Then there's Anita, a retiree in Miami who was diagnosed with early stages of osteoporosis. Incorporating vitamin D supplements into her daily regimen, alongside her calcium intake, has helped her improve her bone density measurements significantly over the past year. Her story is a powerful testament to vitamin D's role in supporting bone health, especially among older adults. Furthermore, the case of Aisha, a young software developer from New York with a family history of diabetes, highlights another aspect. Her proactive approach to include more vitamin D in her diet and regular checkups showed improved glycemic control, suggesting a positive impact in managing potential diabetes. These testimonials underscore the broad applicability and effectiveness of vitamin D across various ages, occupations, and health challenges. Each story not only provides a personal touch, but also reflects a segment of the population that could potentially benefit from this vital nutrient, encouraging viewers to consider how their own lives might improve with the right information and adjustments. In summary, we've explored the profound benefits of vitamin D, not just as a nutrient crucial for bone health, but also as a powerful ally in combating proteinuria and enhancing kidney function. Through personal testimonials and backed by scientific research, we've seen how effective vitamin D can be in reducing proteinuria, supporting kidney repair, boosting immune function, and preventing a range of chronic conditions. If you're considering whether vitamin D might be right for you, we strongly encourage you to consult with your healthcare provider. They can guide you on the appropriate dosage and how best to integrate this vitamin into your health regime based on your specific needs. We invite you to share your own experiences with vitamin D or any insights you might have in the comments below. Whether it's a question or a story of your own, your contribution can help build a community of awareness and support. As we close, let's remain hopeful and proactive about the future of kidney health management. With advancements in research and a better understanding of nutrients like vitamin D, we are moving towards a future where kidney health can be more effectively managed and preserved, offering a higher quality of life for all. Thank you for watching, and remember to take proactive steps towards maintaining your health and well-being.